FunXcies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm gonna make a dress up video basically because these are my handmade dolls which I've already made in one of my previous videos, and to be honest there are a lot of videos where I've shown how to make these handmade dolls out of clay, out of paper and everything which is possible basically. So you can go and check that out. So today over here I'm taking this very beautiful silver glittery fabric, and these are some cutouts, some leftovers of the fabric which you can find easily at your home, and you can take any kind of fabric and any design, any color of fabric too. So I'll just take it and tie them around from the back. Now let's make the skirt. So for that again I'm taking this leftover, and it's a very pretty glittery fabric and it shows blue and silver color, hint of silver too. So I'll just make some cutouts, and it's a very beautiful party dress without even sewing any kind of stuff, and it is very easy. You don't have to use glue or needle and thread, anything like that. Just take it and wrap it around and start tying the knots.
We're falling hard to find the answer. With this life we live.
So now as you can see, this is what I get right now after tying some knots, and this is a dress which I've made without sewing and without using any glue.
And no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. And we'll never know. It's weighing me down.
So after doing that, I cut out the excess fabric over here, and this is what I get right now. So now once that's done, let's make the sleeve. So over here I'm just taking the same fabric and cutting them out, and then some cuts just to start tying it. Now I'll just tie it around the hands. And then I'll cut out the excess fabric again.
When no one knows how it feels between disasters. It comes and goes.
And the same way I'll do it on the other hand too.
And no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. We'll never know. It's weighing me down. Got my feet on the ground.
And then I'll cut the excess part.
Let's run away.
Once that is done, I'll make this beautiful neck choker. It's a very big choker actually, and it is looking absolutely stunning. So once that is done, let's make the hairs. Now you guys actually know how I make the hairs of my dolls. You can go and check out the previous videos. There are a lot of tutorials on my channel. And then I'll just take it over here and make this beautiful headband.
We're falling hard to
Now as she's ready, now what I'll do is that I'll take some pieces over here out of the same fabric, and then what I'll do is that I'll make some jewelry over here and put some rhinestones and sequins on top of it, and then basically just stick them. Now let's make some shoes. So over here I'm just painting it out.
what comes after. And we'll never know. It's weighing me down. Got my feet on the ground. It's hard away from the light.
Now once this is done, as you can see, my first doll is completed. Now let's show you another doll which is made completely out of paper. And for that, again, I'm using the same tutorial over here. No sew and no glue step. So I'll just start making the top. This is what it looks, and I'll just start wrapping it around the neck and the waist area and cover it properly. So it will give you a nice cutout from the back also, just like the previous one. Now I'll just cut the axis. And from the back side as well. Now let's make the skirt. So over here I'm taking this piece at circle out of this beautiful orangish kind of fabric, and then I'll just cut it from the middle too. Then I'll make some holes over here all the way through. So now, as you can see, this is what I get. I'll take this white wool and I'll start putting it around the circles over here. After tying it around the doll's waist, this is what it looks like, a beautiful flowy skirt. Now over here, after doing this, I'll tie another piece of same fabric over here just to cover the white wool and tie it from the back. It will also give you an effect of belt. And now once this is done, as you can see, the dress is ready. Now let's paint some buttons over here using some fabric paints. Then let's start painting the shoes as well. Now let's make the hair for her too, and over here I'm using some black wool for the black hairs. Over the head, and I'll brush it properly and then give it a beautiful haircut and some jewelries and accessories to go off. And once it's done, these two dolls are finally ready, guys. I really loved them and they were super easy to make. So guys, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.
The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. We'll never know. It's weighing me down, got my feet on the ground. If I away from the light, they run away from the light. Let's run away.